In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can fix the drag and drop problem on Windows 11. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.
So first of all, come to the search bar over here near your start, then search for the following: change user account control settings. So you search for that, then you just open up this first one, click on this open button. Then after that, you just need to adjust this from here where it is to this. So after adjusting it from there up to here, just click on OK and close. So once you close over here, you'll be prompted to give it access. So just give it access saying yes and close over here. So once you close that, click on this start button here once again, then tap on the power button, then click on restart. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. And basically, that's it, guys. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to our channel.